Medications provide necessary support for many people, but did you know that they can often affect your nutrition? In particular, medications can deplete vitamins and minerals, and these are essential to feed your body. I'm joined today by NHS GP Dr. Siobhan Brennan to explore this topic and discuss what to look out for. How might medications interact with nutrients?
What I most commonly see are patients complaining of feeling nauseated, feeling sick, or sometimes feeling excessively full. They can sometimes feel quite bloated. Other things to consider as a GP and as a practitioner is that the medication can actually affect how we absorb nutrition. It can also hurry essential nutrients out of the gut too quickly, thus triggering a state of poor nutrition, which can then impact on the chronic disease we're already trying to treat and give misleading symptoms that could be interpreted as side effects, but more importantly, affect the patient in a negative way.
Medications can cause some vitamins and mineral deficiencies long term, and unfortunately, these aren't always obvious or present and may lead to long-term health conditions.
Yes, that's a very important point. If a patient reports quite unexplainable symptoms that sometimes just don't fit one particular picture, that as a GP, I think outside the box and go, right, is this related to a known side effect of the medication? Or is this actually a reflection of a chronic nutritional depletion that's been creeping in? Because let's face it, they're on this medication long term. So this may well have been evolving slowly and insidiously over a period of time. So it's important, again, that as a patient, you take ownership of those symptoms and that you talk about them, because otherwise we could end up trying to treat one chronic condition, but actually triggering another and not actually helping the patient to live well or for longer.
We've collaborated with NHS GP Dr. Siobhan Brennan to create a useful booklet for anyone on long-term medication. Pick up a copy at your local independent health store.